Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Today is 12th February 2021 Friday. We are going ahead with our current affairs of the day. Look at the slide number 1. It says PM inaugurates World Sustainable Development Summit. Okay, World Sustainable Summit 2021. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates World Sustainable Development Summit 2021 via video conferencing. The theme of the summit is redefining our common future. Safe and secure environment for all. This was the theme of it. It is a flagship event of the Energy and Resource Institute. The director of a general of TERI, that is Dr. Ajay Mathur, okay, and it was established in 1974. Now, what this TERI is actually? The TERI actually stands for the Energy Resource Institute, okay. And it is a research institute which is located in New Delhi. It's specialized in the field of energy, environment, etc. All right, it was established in 1974 as it is mentioned over here. Our next slide is coming from Karnataka. It says that the Vijayanagar has emerged as the new district for Karnataka, because the Vijayanagar became the 31st district of Karnataka. The government of Karnataka is in exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 4 of Section 4 of Karnataka Land Revenue Act 1964, issued a notification, okay, demarcating boundaries of the newly formed Vijayanagar district. It was carved out from Baleri district. Okay. And now what is this word actually? This is derived from the word called demarcate. Okay. And this is the ing or the gerund form of it. It means to show or mark the limit of something. Okay, and Hospet is the headquarter of the new district. Okay, and Hospet, where is the Hospet is located? It is close by Hampi, one of the famous touristic destination. Okay. Okay, our next slide says that Aegon Life Insurance elevates Satishwar Balkrishna as the CEO. So Aegon Life Insurance, India's first digital-only life insurance company, elevated Satishwar Balkrishnan to be the MD and CEO. He joined the company as CFO in July 2019. He will spearhead Aegon Life Insurance transformation into a digital-only life insurance company. Aegon Life Insurance headquarters is located in Mumbai. It was founded in the year 2008. Our next slide of the day says the PhonePe partners with Axis Bank on UPI multi-bank model. So digital payments platform PhonePe partnered with Axis Bank on a unified payment interface UPI multi-bank model. It aims to provide the PhonePe users with the option to create and use multiple UPI IDs with Axis Bank Excel handle. Okay, PhonePe is a January processed transactions worth rupees 1.92 trillion. Our next slide of the day is coming from Bank of Maharashtra. It says Bank of Maharashtra ties up with the Loan Tap Credit for co-lending to MSMEs. Bank of Maharashtra entered into a co-lending agreement with the Pune-based non-banking financial company that is called Loan Tap Credit Products for MSME loans. Under this, the bank will have an exposure up to 80%, while the rest be borne by the Lendtop. MD and CEO of Maharashtra Bank is your A.S. Rajiv, and headquarters is located in Pune. Next, we have State Bank of India revise FY21 GDP estimates to 7%. SBI Economic Research Department revised FY21 GDP estimates to 7.0%. Previously, it had estimated GDP 7.4%. The report was authored by SBI's Group Chief Economic Advisor Dr. Soumyakant Ghosh. SBI is expecting FY22 GDP to be 11%. Chairman of SBI is Dinesh Kumar Khar, and headquarters is located in Mumbai. Our next slide says Hunter Biden's memoir, Beautiful Things. Now what the memoir is actually? Memoir is a historical account or a biography. Okay. So Hunter Biden is a son of President Joe Biden, has written a memoir called Beautiful Things. Okay, it will center on his well-publicized struggles with substance abuse. Hunter Biden is a lawyer and a former lobbyist who's led the first impeachment of Trump. And who is a lobbyist over here? The lobbyist is a person who takes part in an organized attempt, okay, to influence others. It's called lobbyist. Okay, next it says Siemens. Okay, Siemens is actually a German multinational company, which just is a industrial manufacturing product it makes. So it's Inspect. Inspect means it does an agreement with IISC's CMTI on development of industrial IoT Industry 4.0 enabled products. So it said the Siemens Limited signed memorandum of understanding with IISC to establish Digital Transformation Lab and CMTI. Okay, and what is the CMTI? CMTI stands for your Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, which was established in your year 1992. Okay, to set up a smart manufacturing demo and development cell. It will focus on development of industrial Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 enabled products and technologies. MD and CEO of Siemens Limited is Sunil Mathur. Next slide is coming in from Madhya Pradesh, a place called Bhimbataka. It says India's first fossil of Earth's oldest animal found in Bhimbataka by the Geological Survey of India, that is, and at a place called Bhimbataka. So it says the researchers unearthed India's first fossil fuel of Dickinsonia. Okay, Dickinsonia is the name of that first oldest animal of the Earth, which is considered to be the oldest animal that roamed around Earth 570 million years ago. Okay, they were discovered at Bhimbataka rock shelters on the roof of the auditorium cave. Bhimbataka is in Madhya Pradesh. Geological Survey of India's headquarters is in Kolkata. Our next slide is from Bank of India. It says the CCI approves BOI's 49% stake buy in BOI EXA Investment Managers BOI EXA Trust. So Competition Commission of India approved Bank of India's acquisition of 49% stake each in BOI EXA Investment Managers and BOI EXA Trustee Services. Okay. Following the transactions, both the entities BAIM and BATS, okay, will become the BOI's fully owned subsidiaries. Okay, next slide is about International Day of Women and Girls in Science History. Every year, International Day of Women and Girls in Science Assembly is celebrated across the world. This year, it will celebrate 6th International Day on February 11. Theme of 2021: Women Scientists at the Forefront of the Fight Against COVID-19. Okay, so this is the theme for it. Okay, next slide says India Energy Outlook 2021. India to see the largest increase in energy demand over next 20 years. According to India Energy Outlook 2021 by the International Energy Agency, India is set to experience the largest increase in energy demand in the world over the next 20 years and will be the third biggest energy consumer by 2030. Okay, overtaking European Union. International Energy Agency headquarters is located in Paris, France. And guys, this is the last slide of the day. It says the RBI observed Financial Literacy Week FLW 2021, that is between 8 February to 12. The RBI observed Financial Literacy Week 2021 between February 8 to 12. RBI has been observing FLW annually since 2016. The theme of FLW 2021 is credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. It was launched by Ajay Kumar. Reserve Bank of India is the headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay guys, so with this we have finished with our today's current affair, whatever is going on around us. I hope that you guys are now updated with it. So thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.